My name is Mike, and this is The Hot Seat. On the hot seat this morning are all the attorney generals from our glorious nation. They have until today to decide if they will sign on to a settlement with the nation's biggest banks, which will allow the top executives to walk away free and clear from any criminal mischief. The fraud that they committed on Wall Street attuned to over $7 trillion in losses upon we, the American people. And the settlement calls for the top banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo to pay out collectively only $25 billion. And folks, it's once again, the rich get to walk away virtually unscathed, whereas these people should be in jail for the rest of their lives. As George Gold, the executive director of National People Action, slammed the deal, saying, "People are very disappointed in this. We're just giving it all away. We're just letting them off the hook." Most states want to take the settlement, but surprisingly, the two biggest liberal states and the two I call big business states, California and New York, want to file separate suits against these banks. They want to file their own investigations. And in New York, Attorney General Eric Schneiderman filed suit last week against J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo over improper foreclosure practices. We the people need to make sure any deal that does not include jail time for Wall Street criminals and doesn't force banks to refinance the exploding mortgages, which conned customers into buying, is rejected outright. Folks, again, it's these power brokers, these money changers, the ones that are dictating our downfall, basically do it with impunity. $25 billion paid out by these conglomerates are nothing. And most likely, almost every state in the union is going to sign off on it. And these guys are just going to get to laugh all the way to their banks. It's just another sad state of affairs. It's like this ridiculous stock act that no one's going to be really doing. Congress is allowed insider trading. Banks are allowed to fleece your money. And this government won't do a damn thing about it. Folks, by 2016, we could have a brand new government by having both parties out of Washington, D.C. My name is Mike, and this is The Hot Seat.